Rose, this is your first day of school. Make new friends and don't sit only with girls. And the most important, don't remove this braid.
Mama, you know that I don't like long hair. I want to cut it short.
But Rose, see, all your friends will come so neatly and beautifully dressed, so you have to be like that.
Okay.
Mom, I'm home. What is this, Rose? I told you not to remove this, no? Why did you remove this? And look at your ties, look so untidy. Why did you behave like this?
I already told you I don't like long hair. I want short hair
See, Rose, you're a girl. You have to be beautiful and neat.
But why?
Don't talk too much. Go and sit on this.
You're not well. Yeah, what happened? I'll try to meet you. Oh my god, you know what happened? He's giving me a surprise. Oh, that's nice. You know what? He's not well. I don't have time to meet him. What should I do?
It's okay, still, what will happen if you doesn't meet him? We both are there, right?
Hey, Rosie, tell me, what should I wear? Should I wear that black wala or pink wala thing?
I think that yellow one suits you well. You look so pretty.
Thank you. I hope he loves it.
I think so. I'm not sure.
Do you remember the guy, Derek? He has proposed you, na?
Yes, he did. He's so cute, you know.
Why can't you be in a relationship with him?
I haven't thought about it. You know, right? I'm not interested in guys, relationship.
But you should give him a chance. Boys are so caring, you know.
And it's too much fun to be in a relationship.
Okay, I'll go for a date tonight.
We are so happy for you.
I'm happy too. So, what plans tonight?
I don't have any plans. Shall we go for movie?
No, I should meet my friend. I didn't see her from morning. I should go, I should talk to her. I don't know what happened.
Why can't you go tomorrow college and you can speak them in class, no?
No, why can't you understand?
Yeah, I understood. We'll go some other day. Okay?
Bye.
So upset. What happened?
I don't know. My friends are acting weird to me. I don't know what to do.
Tell me exactly what happened.
My friends are busy with their boyfriend and they are avoiding me. I love them so much. I don't know what to do now.
See, Rose, you're not a child. You're grown up now. You have to be comfortable with everybody.
I know, I understand, but I love them so much.
Stop. Go to your work.
Even mom doesn't understand. Is something really wrong? But it's not my fault. I like to be with my girlfriends. I don't wish for long braided hair on my head. I like it short and I'm happy with the way I want to be. Well, it's my life
Oh my
and
god,
I
this
choose
is
to
the
live
first
it
day of
my
our
way.
college life.
This is that great.
We have freshers party tonight.
What are you gonna wear? I'm so excited.
I don't know. Let me see.
Where is she?
Oh my god, I want to know more about this.
Do you have a pen?
Let's borrow from that girl.
Okay, I'll go get from her.
Oh my god, I found her again. Should I go and talk to her? I'll miss her. Tell me fast now, tell me fast. Should I go and talk to her? Okay, fine. You can go to talk to her. You can go and talk to her.
Yeah, we have. Anyways, we have some work. We don't have time for you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute? Yes. I'm Rosemary.
Oh, I'm busy.
Oh, nice. You have a pretty hair.
Oh,
emotionally,
about this
physically.
in internet, books, etc. And I got to know that I'm a lesbian.
You have any sense? Do you think the society will accept?
I don't know about that, but my happiness is important. God made me this way. It's not my mistake and it's not your mistake too.
We can't accept.
Please sit. Your marks are good, and I guess you're talented. You're fit for the job, but ma'am, you'll have to change your appearance. This won't work out in this company. The earrings, the tattoos, nothing of that sort. It should be informal and it should be proper.
No, I can't. This is how I live. I'm a lesbian.
What? You're a lesbian?
Yeah, I'm a lesbian.
You're not mentioned that in your resume?
There's no option for that. Male, female, only male and female is there. There's no option for the lesbian. Where will I mention?
Ma'am, I'm done with you. Can you please?
But why?
The 5 minutes that I've spared for you is done. You can leave. Thank you.
Who's the interview? How did it go? I didn't get selected. What? But why?
Just say that life is for child.
No, I should talk to them.
It's okay, let it be.
No, if I don't talk now, no one will ever stand for us. We should fight for our rights. Are you coming with me or not?
Let's go.
Come.
You guys were friends earlier, right? Why are you doing like this to her?
Just because you got to know that I'm not a girl and I'm a lesbian, you're discouraging me. If you can't stand with me, don't discourage us. God made us this way. We are lesbians and we are proud.